Okay, what is up guys? So I'm just out here having a fish for bass. Caught a giant one earlier today, which you can see up there, just up at the top of the screen. But I had to stop fishing, so I just decided to come back out after. So hopefully I can get some more bass, and let's just try. Alright, okay, so right here, there are so many flipping fish. You can already see them moving, but usually we'll have like 5 bass chasing your lure here. I don't know if that's just the sunlight though, so I'm just gonna try it just to see. There we go. That's not too bad, I don't. Oh yeah, here's a little one. He's not a giant, but oh, he's not that bad. Oh, he likes the lure. There you go. Okay. Another toss. Hey! Oh! Another one. Okay. So this is what I mean about the spot being loaded. Like, it's literally crazy. Ready? You give it a good pause. That's a bass. Ah. That's so fun. No! Ah. Okay, let me come back to you when I get this tangle out. Come on. Oh! Holy moly! Did you guys see that? That thing scared the hell out of me. Holy moly! Ho ho ho! That just gave me a heart attack, I think. Should have taken my van fit on the whole way, but come on, right here. Okay, that was crazy, that thing that hit me just then. Come on. Come on, Mr. Bass. Please don't jump scare me. I really don't like it. Probably a fat bluegill sitting under it. Oh! Oh! Do you see that? Or is movement? That would have been a bass I'd probably just missed. There you go. It's not big. A bit better. Oh, bass. Come on, man. There we go. Low on. That's, oh, hey. Hey, you got something. Swear to God, I'm gonna be pissed if it. Is that a bluegill? Is that a smallmouth? No, sorry. Excuse my stupidity, guys. I don't actually know what a smallmouth is, so I just call most things a smallmouth, so don't believe me. Oh, come on. There we go. Good weird. Not good enough. Hey! Not too bad. A little bass. Jump! Oh, it's actually a better one, I think. It might be the best one today. Not too bad. Come on. We're just gonna start jumping, ready? I reckon it's as soon as I feel like they're limp, just come out up your jumper then. That would be great. Or saving it for when I don't expect it. pissing me off. Okay. Let's put him back. Which is... Frick. You guys saw that, right? That's so annoying. Okay, so I was just having a little cast just before. It's crazy! Okay. Okay, I just went and had a little cast while I was off camera. I just got this bad boy. Let me just get a photo from that. That's a good.
That's a nice fish though.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
They always splash when you let them go, ready? Always. There they go in the big buggy. Okay, so I just got that bass. I should have been filming it. It was like the one time, it was like the biggest bass I've caught while I'm filming at the moment. Oh, that was a good one. See if I can see him. You can usually see the bass hit it. Well, you know you got a bass when you do. Come on. That's, oh, I had one. Oh, there's one under it. I can see him. That's not a bad one. There you go. That wasn't the one I was looking at either. I was looking at a different one. Okay. Let's get this guy. So maybe that's a small amount. Man, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's a good cast. Okay, so guys, I think my GoPro's battery is literally gonna die any second now. So I'm actually gonna have to stop the video, but I will keep fishing, and any more fish I catch, I will get on my phone in my pocket and with a photo. So yeah, and I'll just add them into the video, but I'm 4% and I'm tired and it's annoying me. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to finish up. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Yeesh.